Did you have a DS growing up? Or maybe you played tennis on Wii? We can go even further back for those that grew up with Game Boys, or come to the present for those with Switches. If any of these ring a bell, then you definitely know who we're going to be talking about in this video. Hey guys, it's Newfire, and in today's video, which is part 18 of my series SSSMI, we're going to be talking about Nintendo. Unfortunately, not about any of its games, but as a potential investment. It's time to play in the big leagues. So who or what is Nintendo? I'm sure many of you know this already, but it's a video game company founded and based in Japan. They're known for creating video game consoles for every generation since the 80s, some of which I just mentioned, including Nintendo DS, Game Boy, and Nintendo Switch. Of course, the company makes not only consoles, but games to play on them. You've probably played some of these yourself. We know that Nintendo has provided decades of endless entertainment for kids growing up, but can their stock deliver just as much? So Nintendo started trading in 1962 in the over-the-counter market. In 1998, the stock's price was valued at $2.55 per share. Today, it's hovering at a stable $10. And if you'd invested, let's say, $1,000 in '98, your stocks would be worth $4,250 today. It's not the biggest growth we've seen, but depending on what your goals are regarding your investments, it's something to consider. Like many companies, Nintendo reached a peak during the pandemic in regards to its stock price, likely due to obvious circumstances. But Nintendo still has a long way to go. For one, they've just released a new installment in the Legend of Zelda video game series that's already broken records. Whenever Nintendo hints at a release of a new product or game, there has and will exist enormous demand for it. Another one of Nintendo's popular video game series, Super Mario, has just had a movie made on it. The popularity speaks for itself, and this company sure isn't going anywhere. Eager fans are eagerly awaiting for the arrival of the next generation Nintendo Switch that may come out soon. Another exciting project for the company is the construction of Super Nintendo worlds all around, well, the world. However, it's not all peachy from there, no pun intended. Nintendo has to continue to be able to sell these games to its existing customer base, which is something it's been showing it can do. But can the company keep it up? From what we know so far, it's delivered on growth, though little. However, growth is growth, and that slow and steady growth is something we want in our companies. So what do you think? Are you a fan, or is Nintendo something to pass up for the next better stock? Based on the points we've covered here, it boils down to whether you think this is the right opportunity for you. Whether you choose to invest in this stock or the next, it's important to remember that these are long-term investments. Because it's a lifelong investment, invest wisely. Anyways, thanks for watching and stay tuned for my next video. We're going to be diving into PayPal, so watch out for that one. This is Newfire, signing out.